Welcome back to Bike Buzzin' channel. Today we're diving into the 2025 Honda Fury Chopper, a stunning ride that blends style, performance, and comfort. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer, this bike has something for everyone. Design and aesthetics. First up, let's talk about design. The 2025 Fury Chopper features a sleek, elongated frame that screams custom. Its low-slung profile and minimalistic lines give it that quintessential chopper look, while the striking color options like the deep metallic blue and classic black make it a head-turner on the road. Engine and performance. Now, onto the heart of the Fury, the engine. This chopper is powered by a potent 1312cc twin engine, delivering a smooth and responsive ride. With a torque output that makes city cruising a breeze and highway riding exhilarating, you'll love the blend of power and control it offers. Handling and comfort. Handling is key in any motorcycle, and the Fury doesn't disappoint. Its raked-out front end and low seat height provide excellent stability, making it perfect for both relaxed rides and spirited jaunts. Plus, with upgraded suspension components, comfort is prioritized without sacrificing performance. Technology and features. Let's not forget about the tech. The 2025 Fury Chopper comes equipped with a modern LCD display that gives you all the necessary information at a glance. Features like Bluetooth connectivity allow you to stay connected while you ride, making it a perfect choice for tech-savvy riders. Customization options. One of the best things about the Fury is its potential for customization. Honda offers a variety of accessories, from saddlebags to custom exhausts, so you can truly make this chopper your own. The aftermarket scene is also thriving, giving you endless possibilities to personalize your ride. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda Fury Chopper is a blend of classic chopper styling with modern technology and performance. Whether you're looking for a daily rider or a weekend cruiser, this bike checks all the boxes. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Bike Buzzin' channel, and hit that notification bell for more motorcycle reviews. Until next time, ride safe.